Welcome to this technical guide on the Asus F1505ZA. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're experiencing issues with some keys on your Asus F1505ZA not responding, you're not alone. This problem can arise due to dust, debris, or even wear and tear on the keyboard. If left unresolved, it can lead to frustrating typing experiences or even hinder your productivity. To fix this, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, a can of compressed air, and a replacement keyboard for your Asus F1505ZA. Begin by turning off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, carefully flip the device over and remove the screws securing the back panel using the Phillips screwdriver. Keep these screws in a safe place as you'll need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry off the back panel, being careful not to damage any clips. With the back panel off, locate the keyboard connector, which is usually situated near the top of the device. If you find any dust or debris around the connectors, use the can of compressed air to clear it out before proceeding. To remove the old keyboard, carefully disconnect the ribbon cable attached to the motherboard. Be gentle, as these cables can be delicate. Once it's disconnected, you can lift the keyboard out of its position. Now, take your replacement keyboard and align it with the mounting points. Reconnect the ribbon cable to the motherboard, ensuring it's securely in place. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is connected, it's time to reattach the back panel. Line it up properly, press down until you hear a click, and then replace the screws you set aside earlier. Finally, turn your Asus F1505ZA back over and power it on. Test your keys to ensure they are functioning correctly. If they are, congratulations, you've successfully replaced your keyboard. To prevent this issue from occurring again, try to keep your keyboard clean and free from debris. Regularly using compressed air can help maintain its functionality, and consider using a keyboard cover to protect against dust and spills. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.